Two proverbial paths diverge at your feet. The first is a road, practically a highway. It's smooth, wide, and easy. Its gentle downward grade makes travel fast and efficient. The second path hardly even qualifies as a trail. This trail starts climbing through dense vegetation. Thorns and fallen logs make travel slow and difficult. From bug-infested marshes to dangerous cliffs and ledges, this trail is not a walk in the park. The choice seems like a no-brainer. Take the road. That's what most people do. You look good as you set out on the road. The wide pavement allows travelers to bring as much baggage as they'd like to keep. Excitement and fun detours are just ahead. But there's one small detail: the destination sign. Graffiti covers the sign, making it nearly impossible to read. But as you trace the engraved letters, you decipher its message: Pit of Ruin. The trail looks so hard though. It's so narrow. Travelers must leave their baggage behind. Everything you carry will make the journey more difficult. Few even attempt the trail, and of those who try it, a startling number turn back. Everyone who travels the trail experiences painful falls. They face obstacles that make their weaknesses embarrassingly obvious. It doesn't even look like reaching the trail's destination is possible. But there's a guide who guarantees that everyone who travels the trail with his help will successfully reach the destination. The guide spent his fortune to build the trail. He and his team will go to any length to help a traveler who requests his assistance. Some criticize the guide. They say that they can find a better way. In the end, however, all experiences bear the same testimony: the guide's ways avert disaster and succeed. The guide assures that the trail eventually reaches a paradise better than any could imagine. The road or the trail? The choice is yours.